I've been in the life insurance business for 20 plus years. For as long as I can remember, we've offered agents at our company the industry standard compensation rate of 30 to 40%. So that's why I brought in the insurance linebacker, Sean Merriman, into the office to make sure all our agents are upholding the 100% lights out compensation.
You ready? Let's go.
Well, this should be fun.
You'll see we're competitive with industry standards. In fact, we're a little bit above industry standards. You see, on your first year, we're going to start you off at 35%.
Say it again. I dare.
No. What I meant to say was we offer 100% compensation.
Tell them we got leads.
We got leads.
35%. Nothing more, nothing less.
We don't do 35%. We only do 100.
Okay.
What kind of company offers 100% compensation? I mean, we'd have to be so geniuses. We offer 100% compensation for our life insurance agents.
You got that right. Thanks for the coffee.
Thanks to the insurance linebacker, we make sure to always keep it 100 with our agents and stay above the competition with our 100% compensation.